One of my favorite cool tools of all time is a website called Ninite.com. And by the way, this is used quite frequently, and there it is, .com, quite frequently by IT people who are in the know about it. It's excellent for setting up a new computer. Once you install an operating system, there are several things that you typically want to put on that operating system, and these are a list of those things. And let me show you how simple this is. Let's say I've just put on a brand new operating system. It's all clean, and I want Chrome on there. I might want 7-zip. I certainly want my Java and my .NET, my latest .NET. And there are a few of my other favorite tools. Some of these are other favorite tools that we'll also talk about in other videos. But for now, I'll just use those three. And I'm just going to say, get your Ninite. And what's going to happen is that it will make an installer. You see the Ninite Z-zip, 7-zip, I mean Chrome, Java 8.NET installer. And I'm just going to go ahead and let that go to my desktop now. And then at my desktop, we'll launch that. And by the way, when I get all done, I can delete this thing. I don't need it anymore after this point. And you can see what's happening now. It's going to download and install all of these things in one fell swoop. I don't have to go out to the Google website and look for Chrome and install it, and then go look for the Java updaters or installers and install those. I don't have to go to 7-zip and try to find that. It's just all in one fell swoop. It's going to install them or update them. In this case, of course, I have some already there, already up to date. It's installing Java 64 version 8 right now, and it's getting ready to install 7-zip, and it looks like .NET is also up to date. It should be done in just a moment here, and I'm going to pause until it's done. There we go, it's all finished. I'll just close this, and I don't need this anymore. I can keep it around if I want to, but I can also delete that. That's that little installer that was running. And I now have all of those tools on my computer in one fell swoop. It is so simple and so cool. Now, a couple of things I want to tell you about that list of programs that you saw on Ninite. Let me back up here again to this list. Because there are some things here that you should know about. Number one, it will not bother you with any choices or options. It's absolutely self-contained and will take care of itself. It will always install the applications to where they belong. It will never allow adware, toolbars, extra software to be installed along with it. You don't have to worry about those hidden pieces of software or trialware that they like to give you when you go out to the sites and install things. It will always give you the right architecture, 64 or 32-bit. Well, I guess that's pretty much it. You don't have to worry about this. Is always safe. Oh, always up to date, by the way. It always gives you the latest version of those pieces of software. They keep it up to date very well. So that's pretty much it for Ninite. By the way, there is a premium, I believe they have a premium version as well, Ninite Pro, that sometimes some companies will use if they want to keep things up to date all the time and let Ninite monitor. But I typically don't use that. I just come in once in a while and reinstall things, and it's just awesome. That's it for this one.